Well, air conditioning. We're back in San Francisco. No, I'm in Daly City right now, but in the San Francisco area, as you can see from the clouds everywhere, it has rained and vehicles are coming into shops smashed into front enders. We got a little front end smash here, 3 front end smashes here. Let's see what we got. Smash here, we got a smash there, we got a smash there. The rains are really good. God, I love the first rains. It makes so much work. There's so many bad drivers on the road. It's just money falling out of the sky. Smash. Oh yes, another one. Yes, I love it. Thank you, people, for speeding in the rain. For all those idiots who speed in the rain and get in accidents. Holy shit. Another one. Okay, he's got rear-ended.
Yep. You would have got them
Howdy. Smashed. Yes, another one. And another one. And that one's Ford. Yes, you guys who speed in the rain, you make us all a lot of money. Thank you very much for crashing your cars. And the rains have hit. And the front end accidents galore.